After 24 years of uninterrupted Premier League football, Aston Villa have finally been relegated.
Relegation, one of the worst feelings in club football. But with that, there's also life. So say a big hello to our two new teams joining the league this season. This is the season preview for Racing United and Chapelton Maroons. Welcome back to JPL Fan, and we are roughly 20 days away from the start of a brand new JPL season. So we are here to preview, the new boys. Starting with Racing United. Racing made it to the top flight by reaching the final of the Tier 2 competition, and despite losing in the final against Chapelton Maroons, they were largely considered the class of the nation's second division. But as we have seen with Limehall and Treasure Beach last season, surviving the big leagues ain't easy. Despite the excellent coverage of Tier 2 by MG Sports TV, sadly we still lack enough information to provide a clear idea of their tactical setups, systems and preferred formation in this preview. However, from the few times I saw Racing, I can guarantee that they enjoy playing an attractive style of football. Okay, let's go to the key acquisitions and departures. I am not aware of any key players leaving at this time. The same could be said for the incomings, but they kept a vital piece for their survival mission. Under 23 scoring sensation Raheem Edwards is staying at this time of recording, and retaining a natural goal scorer of his ilk is worth his weight in gold. Okay, the key players to watch. Of course, it is Raheem Edwards. Edwards has been scoring goals for fun in Tier 2 in the last 2 seasons and will look to replicate former Tier 2 top scorer Javier Bryan in keeping up his goal scoring in the top flight. He may not win the Golden Boot, but he's definitely one to watch next season. Racing's main aim this season, that's easy, to survive. If it's 12th or 7th, it won't matter. As long as they survive, it will be considered a successful season. My predictions. Unfortunately, as we have seen with Lima last year, key experienced pieces at this level goes a long way in securing survival, and I don't think they did enough or anything at all in the transfer market. While there is still time as it stands, I have them finishing 14th next season. So what about the team that beat them in the Tier 2 final? Chapelton Maroons is returning to the big time after a 1-year vacation, and they were hoping they stay much longer this time around. The man tasked with keeping them up this time is actually a rookie. Chapelton made a bold move in hiring former Arnott and Boystone player O'Neil Bigger Thompson for his first major coaching role. And thus, I don't really have any idea about his football philosophy and how he would want Chapelton Maroons to play this upcoming season. But last year in the Tier 2, they were a gritty, combative team that has the ability to grind out results. Okay, let's go to the key acquisition and departures. One key player that has left is 30-year-old goalkeeper Michael Harrison to neighbours Vere Phoenix United. On the other hand, they have brought in Andrew Vanzi from Humble Lions, Gawain Austin from Mount Pleasant, St. Lucian defender Shanoy Evans, and midfielder Malik Stevens from Arnie Gardens, as well as Brazilian goalkeeper William Ferreira from Montego United FC. Okay, our key player to watch for the Chapelton Maroons, and that is Gawain Austin. He would like to play more for Mount Pleasant last year, and most likely would have preferred to play in his preferred position of centre back compared to being a right back. But in a newly promoted team, he should expect, along with his fellow defenders, to be under more pressure this season, so he will have more time in the spotlight. Chapelton Maroons' main aim this season. Easy, just like Racing United, it is to survive. My predictions. I think Chapelton Maroon has done an excellent job in the transfer market so far, only buying experienced JPA players along the spine. My only issue, and again they do have more time, is that they still need a proven JPL goal scorer to make this team truly shine. Until that happens though, and you add the fact that Bigger is in his first head coaching job, I predict they finish in 12th, so just about surviving. But guys, that is all I got for this first team preview episode. Let me know in the comment section below your guys' prediction and where these two teams will end up this season. I hope the fans of Racing don't take it too personal that I predict them to finish last in the season, but anything can happen, of course, and this is some early prediction with some time in the transfer market left to go. But again, that's all I got here on Jamaican Fun. Please like, subscribe and share as we look to keep you up to date on all things in the Jamaican Premier League throughout the off-season leading up to September 15th of the new season. Otherwise, for great JPL content, you're already at the right place, Jamaican Fun. YouTube, once more, big up yourself.